Well, hello there. You know what I've noticed? XRP just hit some really interesting technical signals that haven't lined up like this in months. The AI is seeing something big coming, and honestly, I think you should hear about this. Let's break it down. So here's where we are right now with XRP. We're sitting at $1.0972, and yeah, we're down about 1.32% today. I know, that doesn't sound exciting. But here's the thing. Sometimes the best opportunities come when things look a little boring on the surface. The trading volume is actually really healthy at over 61 million XRP, which tells me people are still paying attention even if the price isn't moving much. Now this is where it gets interesting. The MACD just crossed above its signal line, and you know what that usually means. Potential upward momentum brewing. The RSI is sitting right at 49.54, which is basically neutral territory. Not overbought, not oversold, just ready to move. And here's a number that caught my eye. XRP is trading 2.88% below its 50-day moving average. In my experience, when you see that kind of deviation, well, it often snaps back up pretty quickly. Here's what's really moving the market today. XRP has this super strong correlation with Bitcoin at 96.82%. But here's the kicker. It's actually moving opposite to traditional markets like the S&P 500. So when stocks go down, XRP tends to go up. With the VIX sitting low at 15.96, it means traditional markets are calm, which historically hasn't been the best setup for XRP. But that could change fast. On the regulatory front, things are pretty quiet right now. Which, honestly, that's not bad news. Sometimes no news is good news in crypto. But I am seeing some concerning ETF outflows totaling $17.7 million. The big institutions seem to be taking a wait-and-see approach, which could actually create opportunity for smaller investors like us. Now the mood right now is, well, pretty scary actually. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 25, which is in extreme fear territory. You know what I always say about extreme fear? That's when the best buying opportunities usually show up. When everyone's panicking, that's often when smart money starts quietly accumulating. The big players are doing something really interesting right now. I'm seeing whale transactions making up 99.9% of the total trading volume. That's huge. These big investors are clearly making moves, and with the price declining, it suggests they might be positioning for something. When whales move this much volume, you better believe something's about to happen. Okay, so the Elliott Wave stuff can get complicated, but here's the simple version. We're probably in what's called a C-wave correction. In plain English, that means we're likely near the end of this downward move. The Wyckoff analysis is showing we might be in an accumulation phase, though the confidence is only about 48%, so there's still some uncertainty here. So what does the AI think? Well, this is where it gets really exciting. The AI is predicting XRP could hit $1.3778 in just one day. That's a 25.6% jump with an 86.6% probability. But wait, it gets better. For the 7-day prediction, we're looking at $1.7290, which would be a massive 57.6% surge with a 98.3% upward probability. Now, the 30-day prediction is more conservative at $1.2252, but still a nice gain from here. But here's what could go wrong. Those ETF outflows I mentioned earlier, that's creating some real selling pressure. And with XRP moving opposite to traditional markets, if stocks suddenly rally hard, we could see more money flow out of crypto. Plus, with 99.9% of volume coming from whales, we could see some really sharp price swings in either direction. All right, here's my take on this whole situation. I'm leaning toward gradual accumulation, but with a smart strategy. Don't go all in right now. Instead, consider your first entry around $1.05, and if it drops to $1, that's your second bite at the apple. Set your stop loss at 95 cents to protect yourself. For targets, I'm looking at $1.35 for the first take profit, and if this really takes off, $1.65 for the second target. The AI predictions are just too strong to ignore, especially with all this fear in the market. And that's a wrap for today's analysis. The setup is really intriguing with that AI prediction showing such high probability for upward movement. If this helped you understand what's happening with XRP, please hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. I'll be back tomorrow with fresh analysis. Take care and happy trading.